Ever stared at a Venmo request, wondering if you're paying too much for that group dinner or if you somehow owe less for that weekend getaway? You're not alone. Splitting expenses among friends, family, or even colleagues can be a minefield of awkward conversations and potential misunderstandings. We've all been there. Someone covers the bill, then spends the next hour meticulously calculating who owes what, often leading to a flurry of individual Venmo requests that feel more like a digital shakedown than a friendly reimbursement. But what if there was a better way? What if you could navigate the often tricky waters of group expenses with grace, efficiency, and a healthy dose of transparency, all while leveraging the power of Venmo? That's exactly what we're diving into today. The perils of poor planning, why group expense woes persist. Before we jump into solutions, let's acknowledge the problem. Why do group expenses so often turn into a headache? First, there's the mental load. Someone, usually the most organized person in the group, or the one who just happened to grab the bill, takes on the burden of tracking every penny. This isn't just about the money, it's about the cognitive effort of remembering who had the extra appetizer, who only had water, or who borrowed $5 for that souvenir. Then there's the awkwardness factor. No one wants to be the person constantly hounding friends for money. It can feel petty, especially for smaller amounts, and can even strain relationships. Conversely, being the one who forgets to pay can lead to resentment from the person who fronted the cash. Next, we have unequal contributions. Not all group activities involve perfectly equal shares. Maybe one person doesn't drink alcohol, while others are ordering top-shelf cocktails. Or perhaps one person drove the entire trip, racking up gas and toll expenses, while others simply enjoyed the ride. Without a clear system, these disparities can lead to feelings of unfairness. Finally, there's the nickel and diming fatigue. Imagine a weekend trip where every single expense, the gas, the groceries, the activities, the shared Airbnb, is meticulously split down to the cent, resulting in dozens of tiny Venmo requests. It's exhausting and often unnecessary. These common pitfalls highlight the need for a strategic approach. Venmo, while a fantastic tool for peer-to-peer payments, isn't inherently designed for complex group expense management. But with a few smart strategies and some helpful supplementary tools, you can transform it into your ultimate ally for stress-free splitting. Venmo's built-in features, a starting point. Let's begin with what Venmo itself offers. While it might not be a full-fledged expense tracker, it has some features that can be quite useful for simple group splits. 1. Requesting money. This is Venmo's bread and butter. If you've paid for something, you can easily request money from others. When you do, you can add a note explaining what the request is for. For instance, dinner last night at the burger joint or your share of the Airbnb for the beach trip. Be clear and concise in your notes to avoid confusion. 2. Splitting a bill. Within Venmo for basic, equal splits, Venmo has a split function. When you're making a payment or even just from the home screen, you can tap the Pay or Request button, then choose Split a Bill. You'll enter the total amount, select the people you want to split it with, and Venmo will automatically calculate equal shares. This is perfect for a simple dinner where everyone contributes equally. However, it falls short when you need to factor in different amounts or want to track multiple expenses. 3. Group payments. Within Venmo, while not a direct expense splitting tool, you can create a group chat within Venmo. This can be useful for communicating about shared expenses. For example, if someone paid for groceries, they could post a receipt in the group chat and then send individual requests. It helps keep everyone in the loop, but still requires manual tracking. These built-in features are a good starting point, especially for straightforward, one-off expenses. But for anything more complex, like a multi-day trip with varying contributions, you'll need to level up your strategy. The power of planning, setting up for success. The best way to split group expenses on Venmo isn't just about using the app effectively, it's about preparation and communication. 1. The pre-trip/pre-event huddle. Before any group activity that involves shared expenses, have a quick discussion. This might seem overly formal, but it can save a lot of headaches later. Discuss. Asterisk budget. What's the approximate budget for the activity? This helps manage expectations. Asterisk payment plan. How will major expenses be handled? Will one person put everything on their card and get reimbursed? Will different people cover different categories, e.g., one person handles accommodation, another handles food? Asterisk tracking method. How will you track expenses? This is where the strategies we're about to discuss come in. Asterisk frequency of reimbursement. Will people be reimbursed immediately, or will there be a final settlement at the end of the activity? For trips, a good approach is often to settle up at the end, or perhaps halfway through if expenses are accumulating. 2. Establish a treasurer. For larger groups or longer trips, designate one person as the treasurer. This person isn't necessarily the one paying for everything, but they are responsible for tracking all shared expenses. This centralizes the process and reduces confusion. Their role is to input all expenses into your chosen tracking tool and, ultimately, initiate the final Venmo requests. Beyond Venmo, essential tools for seamless splitting. While Venmo handles the payment, other apps and methods excel at the tracking. Integrating these with Venmo is the secret sauce. 1. Dedicated expense splitting apps, your best bet. These apps are designed specifically for group expenses and are the most efficient way to manage complex scenarios. They connect beautifully with Venmo for the final settlement. Splitwise, this is arguably the most popular and robust option. How it works: you create a group, add members, and then input all shared expenses. For each expense, you specify who paid and how it should be split, equally, by unequal amounts, by percentage, or even by item. Splitwise intelligently calculates who owes whom and minimizes the number of transactions needed for a final settlement. Why it's great: it handles complex splits effortlessly, keeps a running tally of who owes whom, and generates a clear summary at the end. It also has a built-in settle-up feature that often integrates directly with Venmo, making it incredibly easy to send or request money. You can also add notes and even upload photos of receipts. Venmo integration. Once everyone has entered their expenses, Splitwise tells you exactly who needs to pay whom. You can then click a button within Splitwise to easily initiate a Venmo request for the calculated amount. TriCount. Similar to Splitwise, TriCount is another excellent choice, particularly favored by some for its user-friendly interface. How it works: create a TriCount, invite participants, and add expenses. You can choose different splitting methods and track individual balances. Why it's great: simple, intuitive design. Good for tracking a variety of expense types and provides clear summaries. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.